little over 11 years ago, I started a company, a video production company, and that's not very typical for a video production company to have a defined process, a way of doing things over and over again. In fact, it's probably more well known for not organization, but creativity. And to be honest, before I seen Zoho Learn and its abilities, capabilities, and flexibility and ease of use, I would probably have a hard time understanding how I could ever define a process. And I'm really bringing up one of the main points, and one of the greatest things about Zoho Learn is your ability to be able to mold it and shape it to your business as your business grows. You can change things very easily. Things are easily movable. You can redefine how your organization flows and maybe even reorder the way things go. I went through a lot of different options and looking and making sure making the right decision when choosing Zoho Learn. The software is extremely simple to use, and when it comes down to it, I have to have something simple for my organization. Whether you're big or small, we run like a very large organization, even though we're a small organization, because of things like Zoho Learn. I wouldn't have the time to retrain and take people through the depths of understanding really complicated softwares and helping them build out our training modules and our process. And just because it's not complex and difficult to use doesn't mean that it doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It has everything you need to create a very clear, easy to understand, usable process management system that is extremely visually appealing. And for me, that's something that's very big. It makes it easy to embed videos from just about anywhere, add images, and even edit the images. The in-house, or I guess the part of the software that they've created around the ability to be able to edit the image, to be able to draw attention to certain points, or maybe add numbers, outline, or even highlight. It's not only easy to use, but it's the right amount of tools. It's not an overwhelming amount of tools, but it's just what you need. I love how everything about Zoho Learn is super clean. The entire environment. For example, when you are in manuals and you have several chapters open, you can minimize the chapters and make it so you're only really seeing what you want to see to make it easier to look at what you're looking at. Not only that, the search capability is incredible. You can find anything that you look for, just look for the keywords and you can find things. By far, the best thing about Zoho Learn for us is the external sharing. And what that means is we are able to share links with people that are outside of our organization. It helps us keep a really defined process for our clients. So we as an organization, everybody uses Zoho Learn. It takes so much off of my plate having this software so others can search without me and learn something that we've done 100 other times by maybe watching a training video and reading through a process, seeing a step-by-step guide, and seeing how to do something without anybody having to teach them. So in terms of growing our company, Zoho Learn, I would say, is probably the biggest thing that's going to affect our company in a very positive way for growth in the next 10 years.